Main agencies can actually just set up easily and reduce time, reduce maintenance, and maintaining and managing the systems, and set up the file sharing through the network in minutes. Next, input and output software. As I mentioned earlier by Justin, there's a ScanGet N8420 document flatbed scanner with the and along with optical character recognition software. We can actually convert the application form that has been scanned, which usually are handwritten, into editable text files to actually standardize the format, to keep them, to be able to classify them in the different classifications. Yes, and yes. And the PCs are actually just for front-end officers to be able to print out the details of the mates after the client can actually choose them from the storage server, which can be actually the mates can actually sorry about that. The agencies can actually from the branch office connect to the main office to print the software, to print the appropriate documents. For software, we actually choose Oracle database or Microsoft SQL server. They are actually for the data warehouse, as mentioned by Wei Ling earlier on, and Justin. And business objects, they are actually to create the dashboards that we have seen earlier by Wei Ling, and the charts, and so to create them, to generate reports. And Clementine says they are actually data mining tools to actually to be able to better match the customer's needs to the mates. And HP provides a consultant service to actually help implement the solutions also. So the main agency can actually consult HP. Data safety. As you all know, data confidentiality and is important for all business units, and they are essential for operations and decision makings. So it's actually important to invest in a good system storage and data protection. Hence, we actually have chosen the HP protection software to actually, as they can help ensure confidentiality and security of information and back up the data, and do recovery easily. So, and with firewall and virus detection software, it can actually reduce disruption when serving customers in case there's any virus-prone OS. When the OS is attacked by the virus, they actually prevent the operations of the business to stop immediately. They can actually continue them without much disruption. And after-sales service. Okay, HP's after-sales service package, as we all know, after customers have implemented the solution, there might be chances that they might meet problems with the implementation. So by signing up with by having the after-sales support package from HP, they can actually provide immediate assistance round the clock and advice, both online and offline, to keep the business flow constant. So they will not have any negative impact due to unforeseen reasons. So they can get advice immediate from HP to solve the problem as fast as possible. So this is our prospect to Chong Kwan.
To sum up the whole presentation, various benefits is mentioned during the presentation, and this could be achieved when BI is introduced in these kind of main agencies. With more efficient data capturing can be done with the help of OCR, which is optical character recognition, can be done, and with the help of IT tools, it reduces the amount of paperwork generated. And data security, which is on the fourth one, cannot be guaranteed, and this will improve consumer confidence in the public. More accurate matching of mix profile together with customer requirements is now be able to pilot maid agencies. And value-added services like SMS and emails to the customers can now be done also. Better marketing campaigns can now be drawn out to target more specific group of customers. All this brings about happier customers who will come by with lesser complaints, and more importantly, it reduces costs and increasing and helping them to have a better reputation and increasing their profits on the whole. That's the end of our presentation. Hope that you enjoyed. Thank you very much.
Any of you have a maid in the house?
She used to be.
Yeah, used to have.
You used to have a maid in the house. What's your experience with the maid?
Actually, it wasn't quite good because actually our maid get into some kind of trouble after some time, living with us.
I guess my question is, have you all interviewed any maid agencies?
No.
So, if you have not interviewed the maid agencies, then how do you think, your proposed solution then is fictitious?
So it's just a solution you are coming up with to propose to maid agencies to use. Just a question whether you know how many maid agencies there are in Singapore and how many of them are of a certain size. Because I can tell you that at least 80% of the maid agencies in Singapore are probably a 3 to 5 man operation, not the nation group of the universe. So you have an idea of what you're proposing costs how much, and how many of these agencies then are you targeting?
Okay, actually, for what I know, the major ones would be Nation and a couple few more, but I couldn't remember the name.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's just that handful.
Yeah. But I believe that after some time, when your business expands, right? Yeah, you might. When it expands to a certain level, then there might be a need to implement something of what we have proposed.
Do you have an idea how much it costs to propose what you do, what you're suggesting?
Because, okay, for the software wise, right, we are actually we are recommending more of the entry level kind. Because, as what you mentioned also, SMEs, they don't need very sophisticated software to help them to manage their business operation for the time being. So actually we propose some entry level kind of software which is quite at an affordable price.
Curiosity, are you all IT students or your business students?
Business information technology.
Business IT.
Yeah.
Do you know how much you're proposing? You're proposing Oracle and
SQL.
SQL.
Okay, because the other thing, some of the things you propose actually, I think it's redundant for maid agencies to do, because they don't need to remind employers when to bring their maid for maid checkup, because this is all done through MOM. A lot of services are actually provided already. You're asking agencies to do extra things as well.
How is it that you do not think about open source software? I mean, you have free database software.